morning everyone. Before we start our study, let's do prayer. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes and start Om Bhurvasva 3 times. Om Bhurvasvaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Before we start our new topic, rhyming word, let's do sight words. You all have to speak with me. These are the sight words we are using in our making sentence. This is very useful for us. This is I, me. You have to speak with me. I, me, my, up, he. We are using for this boy, he, she. We are using for this girl, she, it. When we are using for something about pencil, anything, we are using it. Is, at, in, on, the, go. We are using for this, we all, we, are, no, this, that, and, if, and. Let's recall again. I, me, my, up, he, she, it, is, at, in, on, the, go, we, are, no, this, that, if, and. I have a flashcard of sight words. Let's read with me. I, me, my, up, he, she, it, is, at, in, on, the, go, we, are, this, this, that, that. We did rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? Rhyming are the words which have the same ending sound. Here are some flashcards. Let's do with me. This is a picture of lock and this is a picture of dog. Lock, dog. Lock, dog. The ending sound will be the same. Lock, dog. Next is, this is a picture of bug and this is a picture of mug. Bug, mug. Bug, mug. The next is, this is a picture of Dan and this is number 10. Dan, 10. Dan, 10. Next is, this is a picture of map and this is a picture of tap. Map, tap. Map, tap. This is a picture of pit. This is a picture of heat and this is a picture of sit. Pit, heat, sit. Pit, heat and sit. This is a picture of sip and this is a picture of dip. Sip, dip. Sip, dip. This is a picture of caught and this is a picture of nut. Caught, nut. Caught, nut. On page number 62 in Zoom Literacy, writing rhyming words. Writing rhyming words. Write words that rhyme with the words given. Here are some pictures given. Words given. Here are some words given. You have to write the rhyming word of this. This is a word of cap. Cap, map, tap and nap. Again, cap, map, tap, nap. Cap, map, tap, nap. Next is net. Nat, nat, jet, fat and wet. Nat, jet, fat, wet. Nat, jet, fat, wet. Fig, fig. Dig, fig, dig. Fig, dig. Wig and big. Once again, fig, dig, wig, big. Fig, dig, wig and big. Next is hot, but, hot, but. not, hurt, but, not, and cut. Hurt, but, not, and cut. Last one is hop, cop, hop, cop, mop, and top. Hop, cop, mop, top. Hop, cop, mop, top. Let's recall again. Cap, map, tap, nap. Nap, jet, pat, wet. Fig, dig, wig, big. Hot, but, not, and cut. Hop, cop, mop, top. In Zoom Literacy, page number 63, this is your homework. Write words that rhyme with the words given. Write words that rhyme with the words given. Here are some words given. You have to write the rhyming word of this word. This is a word mo-apt map, co-apt cap, to-apt tap, no-apt nap. You can write to-apt tap, no-apt nap, co-apt cap. Next is po-ag peg, po-ag peg, lo-ag leg, bo-ag bag, co-ag keg. Leg, bag, and keg. Next is dog dog, hog, hog hog, for-og fog, jog jog. Hog hog, for-og fog, jog jog. Next is bo-ig big, for-ig fig, wo-ig wig, and do-ig dig. Big, fig, wig, and dig. Mug, mo-ug mug, jog jug, bo-ug bug, ho-ug hug. Mo-ug mug, jog jug, bo-ug bug, ho-ug hug. In Zoom Literacy, page number 63, this is your homework. Do it at home very properly. Thank you.